I wanted some Manhattan style PCB milled out of it, and quite pleased with the results. Very nice. Uh, the end mill that I'm using is the same 3mm one, so nothing's out of style. I didn't even make those PCBs in a PCB CAD software. Were made in something like Inkscape because I wanted to export fast the DXF and use it. It's just something very basic. So right now I'm going to, let's see, region toolpath, spindle on. Cycle starts. Mill time, 2 minutes. I couldn't do that in 2 minutes by hand. So as you can see here, it's not fiber. Yeah. Here you can it's something composite. I don't know what is it. It's resemble a lot of pressed paper or something like this. So let's see. Where do we have that screwdriver? Let's see it. Okay. Ta-da! Good old PCB. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.